Okay, so in the last video we created this code and we got this output. So what I have done here is I have used this formula or these lines. I've already explained them in my logistic regression, so I'm not just gonna explain them again. So but what I have done here is I have taken the bias here and I have taken the first what do we say, I've taken the first weight with x1 and the second weight in the division. I have explained this formula in logistic regression and earlier in my matplotlib tutorial, so you can go and check those videos out. So for that you can do this, and now I have to do 0. Now let's run this. So now you can see that this is the line that our SVM has generated, and I guess this is a pretty good line. uh, uh, if we will see the data, then this line is pretty good. So this is how you can classify your data using SVM. If you want to improve the value, you can try to change the values of C, because C is a hyperparameter here. So you can increase or decrease its value to see whether our output is good or not. So this is what we have done, and if you want to if you want to check the accuracy for this, then for that what we can do here is we can make a hypothesis function and a prediction function. So let's make a hypothesis, or let's just copy it from our previous code. So this is the code that we wrote in our previous videos, in which we gave the theta here, and this is how the output came. But now we cannot just do this like this. What we have to do here, because we don't have only theta, we also have weight and we have bias. So what I am going to do here is np dot dot, or I can just take like this. So z is going to be nothing but b plus w0 and 0 times x0 . All rows and the 0th column we are going to multiply with the 0th weight, and then it is going to be same but with the first column. Okay, and if we will pass that sigmoid into y, then it is going to give us a value between 0 and 1. Okay, so let's run this and try whether it is working or not. So let's poll hypothesis. In this I'm going to pass x, I'm going to pass w, and I'm going to pass 2. So yeah, the output is working. And what we can do here is we can also do one more thing. So let's take y head or y predicted. Y predicted is going to be hypothesis, x weight and bias. So now we have y prediction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make, okay, if y prediction is greater than 0.5, then it is going to be 1, and if y prediction is less than equal to 0.5, then it is going to be -1, because we converted our data here. As we did convert our data here, so we will get our values in 1 and -1. Okay, so now if we will check y pred is going to be 1 and -1. Okay, now what I can do here is np dot mean and y equal to y pred. So we have 91% of accuracy. Now if you will see, the data that we had was very difficult to was very difficult to solve, but still we got 91% accuracy with SVM. So this is how you can use SVM in classification. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.